In this tutorial, we'll learn how to fix query errors in Oracle Analytics Cloud that occur when users don't have access to the underlying assets of a workbook. If consumers have access to a workbook but not the datasets behind it, they'll receive an error message and visualizations won't load. In this scenario, I'm a content author, and I want to resolve these query errors for my consumers. I'll begin by creating a workbook using a dataset stored in My Folders, which is a private location. Once I've added my visualizations, I'll name my workbook and save it in shared folders so others can access it. Oracle Analytics Cloud displays a Shared Related Items message, warning me that other users may not have access to related items such as datasets. I will select Click here to see the list to identify which assets are not accessible. In this case, the supplier geography dataset cannot be shared automatically because it is stored in a private folder. I'll select OK. Assets stored in My Folders are private by default, so other users cannot access them unless they are moved or shared. I'll move the underlying dataset out of My Folders and into shared folders so that my colleagues can access it. From the catalog, I'll select the dataset's action menu, then move to, and place the dataset in shared folders. The dataset doesn't need to be in the same folder as the workbook, just in a location that workbook consumers have permission to access. Now I'll log in as a consumer and open the workbook. Because I have access to both the workbook and its dataset, the visualizations load successfully. Now that I've moved the dataset to a shared location, I can ensure users can access the workbook without errors and successfully query the data. To find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud, use the links below.